Hi everyone, welcome to Crafting with Giulia. I'm Giulia and I'm so glad you tuned in today. If you enjoy my video, please hit the like button and leave me a comment. I love to get feedback from my viewers. Also, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you can be notified of all my newly released videos. Also, feel free to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I invite you to join my Facebook group called Crafting with Giulia's Creative Community, where you can be part of my crafting family. All of those links are in the description below this video. I'm delighted to be part of the Bloom with Grace Challenge today with host Mano's Market and co-host Mamma Mia DIY. I'm always up for a challenge, so this is pretty exciting. The theme is poinsettias, which is one of my favorite flowers. So after you've viewed my video, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, then follow the playlist and leave them some love. Tell them I sent you. This gorgeous poinsettia I bought last year Tuesday morning. It was on clearance. It was after the holidays. The glass globe comes from Dollar Tree, and I sprayed it with Krylon Glitter Blast, and the color is Golden Glow. It gives it that nice little sparkly texture. So what I did was I pulled the flower apart and I put them all in piles according to size, and now I'm just going to glue them onto the glass globe. And here's the finished product. Tell me what you think. For this next DIY, I'm going to be decorating a Christmas gift using this old cardboard box that I have. I'm going to spray paint it white using Rust-Oleum Matte White spray paint. Then I am going to put this gorgeous ribbon. I believe I got this at Hobby Lobby. This was last year's purchase. I go to Hobby Lobby after the season, and it's amazing what you can get. And I'm surprised that was left over. These are another thing that I got at Hobby Lobby last year. They were on clearance, so I didn't pay full price for them, but they are gorgeous. Again, I'm so surprised they were left over. They're just too beautiful. So I'm not sure what I paid for them, but they are from Hobby Lobby. And then I have this thing here that I had in my stash. It's pretty interesting, but I don't know. And then I have these pine beaded branches that also are so gorgeous, and I think they would complement the poinsettias. DIY number 3 is a wreath I'm going to be making for the holiday season using this beautiful velvet poinsettia that I got from Hobby Lobby last year on clearance, along with these pine bushes. I thought that would look really nice. And here's my finished wreath. Please tell me what you think in the comments section below. I'd love to have your opinion. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again real soon. Happy crafting!